Hello and welcome back to another exciting video, people. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create an exciting image like this using your mobile phone. You can shoot and edit both. Please do watch this video right till the end, otherwise you will not understand the concept clearly. Let's begin. The setup is very simple. You will need a black tinted glass like this, available in any normal mirror or glass store, and you will need a black cloth as a background. I will show you why as we progress. So this is going to be a basic setup for now. This is called as the master shot or the hero shot, where we are going to take a shot of this bottle and the oranges. We are using this glass to get the reflection of all these three elements, and we will see how they look as we go ahead. So let's take a shot now. I'm going to pull out my mobile phone and take a shot. So this is going to add the chill effect to the bottle. When you remove something cold from the fridge and keep it out for some time, the feel that it gives you, the water droplets and the condensed water on the bottle, making it look nice and chilled drink. I'm trying to give it that effect. So now I have pulled up my mobile and taking the centering. I need to give a little bit of head space, a space over here on top. I'm focusing on the bottle here. Focus has been locked. I'm pulling down the exposure a bit because I need the black part to be a more blacker. And here I take a shot. I give it a little more of his space. So here we go. We now have the master shot. Okay, so people, what I have done is, let me show you, I am using a pro camera app. This allows me to shoot with a manual mode. Most of the smartphone has this. If not, I am definitely going to give you the link in the description for Android and Apple both. Let me open the app. I have asked this person to hold the orange in the fish tank so that I can set my focus and lock it. And I have locked it here. We need to get a good movement, so we need a higher shutter speed. Probably around 1500 is what I have chosen here. Increase the ISO a little bit, and I'm going to shoot continuously by pressing the button non-stop. Okay, we are good to go. Please take a hand up. Please throw the orange. So hopefully we have got a shot. Let me check. I'm going to the library and swiping. Here we get one of this shot. Here another one. Okay, so this is where the orange has just landed in the water. Going ahead, it will hit the bottom. Here it is coming up. I'm going to take a couple of more shots to get the closest one that I need for the compositing. Okay, can you do it again, please? Now we are going to use two oranges and see what we get using a higher shutter speed by going down here in the option, and here we go. Please, let's go for a shot. Drop. Okay people, so let's begin with the editing now. I have selected two of the images which I have shortlisted from the ones I have shot earlier, which I think are suitable. So simply what I'm going to do it, in my basic gallery, I'll be doing a basic edit here. I want to crop it here before I take it to the editing application. I only want the part to be seen is this much. I don't want all of this. What I've done is I have cropped up that particular portion for now, and I say done. Going back to the other one, again I'll do a quick crop, only keeping what I want. Now this is going to help me save a lot of time in the editing application. Okay, done. Simple. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Snapseed. I'll be going to the library and look for the master or the hero shot. Probably select this image And here we have it. A little bit of basic cropping to this image also. I need to get rid of the white part here, a little bit here and here. Okay, so fine. I'm going to play with a little bit of shadows by using this slider, and sliding it to my right will open up the shadow, taking it to the left will give me a nice black effect. Fine. There's too much of yellowish tone here. I'll be using the white balance and getting the temperature a little down to about say 20-21. Okay, this looks good now. So what we do here is we'll add the orange image using double exposure, and here we go to albums. I had already created an album of two of my favorite shots. I'll use one of these and I'll scale it down for as much as I want the size to be. I think this much looks good. Nice effect of the orange falling into the scene, and fine, this look good. Opacity I can keep full 100, but then what will happen? This will overlap. The opacity images setting is allowing us to see both the images together, so we keep it around 50%, and we can use lighten, we can use dark, we can use additive, whichever suits, but I think the default, the lighten look good. I selected the lighten and I said okay. Now we need to get rid of the extra part in the orange on the top. We go to view edits and double exposure, select the center icon, and on the left hand side you see the circle intersecting with the triangle. We'll use that, and we'll use the eye icon because it will show us the red part. The red part will start painting, so whatever is now get it painting or painted off. The red part that will get erased means that part is getting, this is getting removed from this image. So be a little cautious to paint it red. So here we go with the precision, and we have removed this. Yeah, this look good. Don't worry, we are going to make it look better. I will say go back, I'll go to tools, I'll add another double exposure, I'll say add another layer, go to album, go to orange juice. I made a dedicated album. I'll select the second orange over here and I will scale it down again as usual to make it look good. Now depend upon if you want two oranges, depending upon your choice, probably you can do this. Now here we go. Doing the settings, we go to lighten. This was default, this is lighten, and again going back to view edits, we'll go to double exposure, we'll go to the center icon, we'll select this, and now we'll begin to paint out what we don't want in this image. So be really careful in painting off. So here we go. Here remove all. Now whatever is showing red means is retained, and whatever is painted out means that is out of the whole image. So let's look at this. Okay, fine. Now this is looking good. We'll go to tools, we'll go to tune image, we'll use the shadows again. Now this is and tune the shadows a bit. Now you can see this is coming to life. It is having a nice black effect, and the extra part, which is the white part in the image, is all fading off. So this is looking good. And now what we can do here is we can just add a little bit of saturation. We only want to add saturation to the oranges above. So fine, we say okay. We come to a brush tool. We'll use the saturation tool brush and just zoom pinch and only paint over these oranges to add. I'm only painting over with my finger over the oranges on top, and we can see, I say okay, now see these oranges are looking much better, right? So if you want to make it look even better, a little more dramatic, you can come to vintage and you can choose any of the filters below. I think this looks good, but we need to increase the brightness a bit and reduce the vignette strength. This is looking good. If you want to add a little bit of curve, you can do that by pressing in the center of the curve and bringing down the curve a little bit. I think that's fine. Fine. Okay, this much is good. So this is the before, and here we have added these two oranges and blended them to look so beautiful, isn't it? The composite of both the images, all three images put together, makes it look like a commercial. We go to tools and then we can add a little bit of sharpening if you want. Here we go, around 30 is fine. And here the image is looking good with the water bubbles, and the orange is looking like more of a commercial shot, right? So we export it, and it is exporting the image now. Let me show you how it looks in full screen. I go to my gallery. This image is looking so good. I hope you'll enjoy this tutorial, and do send me your images on my Instagram handle below over a DM. I would really love to see them. Thank you so much for watching, people. Not every day that you get to see videos like this. If you have learned anything new from this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video soon.